Hey everybody, welcome to Motor Marvel. This is the 2025 Mercedes AMG E53 Hybrid, one of the hottest German luxury sedan in the world right now. Where performance meets efficiency, join us as we explore the latest plug-in hybrid from Mercedes AMG, blending outstanding power with cutting-edge electric technology. But before we get started, I want to know, what do you think about hybrid sports cars? Do you believe they can match the thrill of the traditional gas-powered sports cars? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and also subscribe, like this video for more car reviews and car informations and much more. Under the hood, E53 Hybrid features an AMG enhanced 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder turbocharged engine paired with a permanently excited synchronous electric motor. This combination delivers a remarkable 577 horsepower or 604 horsepower with race start and 553 lb-ft of torque, accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. This hybrid doesn't compromise on speed. The top speed is electronically limited to 174 miles per hour, and you can enjoy pure electric driving up to 87 miles per hour. The 161 horsepower electric motor is seamlessly integrated into the AMG Speed Shift TCT9G transmission, providing instant torque and agile acceleration. The high-density 28.6 kW battery positioned below the trunk floor ensures optimal weight distribution and performance. The E53 Hybrid is equipped with a 9.6 kW onboard AC charger and a 60 kW DC fast charger, allowing you to charge the battery from 10 to 80% in approximately 20 minutes. With recuperation capabilities up to 120 kW, the system efficiently recovers energy during braking, enhancing the overall driving experience. In D-Auto mode, the vehicle automatically selects the optimal level of recuperation, while 3 driver-selectable levels offer flexibility. The strong recuperation mode even allows for one-pedal driving, similar to fully electric vehicles. Visually, the E53 Hybrid stands out with wider front fenders, AMG's specific radiator trim, and powerfully sharpened air inlets. The sleek profile, flush-mounted door handles, and AMG alloy wheels underscore its sporty elegance. The rear design is characterized by flat LED taillights and an AMG spoiler lip, enhancing the car's dynamic aesthetic. The vehicle comes standard with 20-inch AMG alloy wheels, with optional 21-inch forged wheels available for an even more aggressive look. Step inside and you are greeted by an exclusive interior featuring an illuminated trim and the optional LBUX superscreen with a 12.3-inch front passenger display. The AMG-specific displays and hybrid-specific functions provide all the information you need at a glance. Standard features include power-adjustable AMG sports seats with MB Tex microfiber upholstery and the AMG Performance steering wheel in Napa leather with AMG drive unit buttons for quick access to driving functions. The E53 Hybrid boasts AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus fully variable all-wheel drive, ensuring optimal traction in all conditions. The AMG ride control suspension with adaptive damping offers a perfect balance of comfort and dynamic driving characteristics. Active rear axle steering further enhances agility and stability, adapting to different driving speeds for a more responsible experience. The AMG high-performance braking system features large ventilated discs for superior stopping power. An electromechanical brake booster seamlessly blends hydraulic braking with electric recuperation, maximizing efficiency and performance. This sophisticated system features the E53 Hybrid can deliver high levels of recuperation and maintain optimal braking performance. With 7 AMG dynamic select drive modes, the E53 Hybrid offers a range of driving experience from efficient to highly dynamic. Unique to this hybrid are the electric and battery hold programs, allowing you to tailor your drive to your needs. Race Start mode delivers the best possible acceleration, harnessing the full output of both the electric motor and combustion engine for an exhilarating drive. For those seeking an even more exclusive experience, the Edition 1 model offers unique design elements like manufacturer Moonlight White Magno paint, 21-inch forged wheels, and a distinctive interior with black and yellow contrasts. Additional packages like the AMG Night Package and the AMG Carbon Exterior Package further enhance the vehicle's sporty appearance and performance. The 2025 Mercedes AMG E53 Hybrid redefines what it means to drive a high-performance hybrid, combining electric efficiency with unparalleled AMG power and design. It is set to elevate your driving experience to new heights. So, what do you think about this 2025 Mercedes AMG E53 Hybrid? What features are you most excited about? Do you think the combination of performance and efficiency in the hybrid will change the game of luxury sedans? Let me know in the comments. Well, thank you for watching this video all the way. Subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care.